Jaguar is having morning breakfast. He is just 5 months baby. Normally his daily diet is morning breakfast 4 chicken leg and afternoon lunch nearly 1 kilogram mutton or beef and night dinner nearly 1 kilogram mutton or beef and milk. Imutolka pet meses on Kazidin Idya Chitiristo ki kurini noski. Iabed wakala kilogram baranina ili gavedina мяса. И ночь около килограмм говядина или баранина мяса и молоко. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Подпишись мой канал.